Hi, this is VC Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change currency on Amazon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Did you know that you can shop in more than 60 currencies on Amazon? While the UK Amazon site will automatically display prices in GBP, you can update your settings so that prices are shown in your preferred currency. How to do it? Very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to log it into our account. You can open on your mobile apps or on the website using your PC or laptop. And from here, I'm using my laptop, so I log in with my Amazon website. To change a currency, it's very simple. As you can see in here on the top of your screen, there's like flag on your Amazon. You can just select on that and you'll find there's an option to change your language, and also there's an option change currency. So here's my currency is this. You want to change, you can just select on change. Now you can just choose on the currency that you want to set to your Amazon account. Maybe you want to change this, for example. You can choose like this. It's very simple, right? And you can change this currency anytime you want. Here's it's very simple. So that is how to change your currency on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.